Hey everyone, welcome to the first update of this course. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track the conversion rate of the direct funnel. Now, there's a problem with the direct funnel. If you remember, this landing page sends the traffic directly to the offer. Okay, now the problem with that is if we're getting traffic from Facebook, we're not going to be able to track who actually converted, right? Because if you remember the engagement funnel, we have the view content script here, and then next page has the lead script. This means that if someone puts their email and goes to the next page to watch the video, we're going to be able to track that lead in Facebook ads, right? But with the direct funnel, with the direct funnel, we're not going to be able to do that, so we don't know if the traffic is converting or not, right? So that's the problem, and I'm going to show you a trick that you can actually add the lead script, lead Facebook pixel to your pages, so you can track your leads even on the direct funnel. So let me show you again. Let me just remind you, this is the direct funnel, and when we put the name and email, it just directly goes to the product page, right? So we need to be able to track our leads, so we know if someone actually have when we send the traffic from Facebook, we know if they have converted or not, so we know if they've entered their name and email or not, so we can measure the success on Facebook. Now, the trick is to actually add a page after this, and then that page sends your visitor directly, automatically to the offer. So that page is going to have our script, the lead script, lead pixel, and then they're going to wait on that page for 3 seconds, and then after 3 seconds, they're going to be automatically redirected to the funnel, to the offer, to the sales page, right? So let's create that. Let me just show you how you do that. So let's go back to the lead pages. Let's create a new page, or what we can do is we can just take this. Let me just see this thank you page, not this. Let's create a page. Okay, let's create a new page and do that. Let's let's choose something. I'm gonna go with the drag and drop because that's the page, that's the type of page. This way I'm gonna be able to edit that page easily. Okay, so let's go with this one, use template. I'm just gonna use it, and so first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you clean up the page. Okay, so I'm gonna call this direct golf redirect. Actually, let's call it golf redirect. So if you remember, my product was about the golf, so I'm just going to call it golf redirect, and let's create the page. Alright, so now the first thing you want to do is you want to remove everything from this page. Okay, let's just delete everything. Alright, let's actually do that, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add an image here, like a buffer image. Now let me show you what is the image I'm gonna add here. So let's drag this, put it under this, and let me just choose the image. And from my images, I'm gonna choose this. Let me see if I have it here. It's a loading screen image. Okay, so I'm just going to insert it here, and I'm just going to say you're being redirected to this free video. Or we can say please wait. Actually, that's better. Seconds. Alright, so now let's change the background to white. So because I wanted to match this white loading bar, loading whatever. Okay, and let's remove the whole thing. Okay, let's go back to layout and make sure we hide this, hide that, and that one too. Okay, so looks pretty clear. So let's delete this too, and this. So yeah, again, we don't want anything on this page. We just want to have this screen and the loading bar, that's loading picture that says please wait. Okay, so now that's pretty much almost ready. Next thing you want to do is you want to add the redirect script. Okay, so that's the next thing you want to do, and let's add the script. So the next thing is just pick this HTML and drag it here, and let's get this. All right, so now let's go Google for redirect a script. Okay, so we're gonna Google for redirect script, and let's find this from we're gonna look for metadata redirect. Okay, so let's click on that and let's find the script. This is the actual script. Okay, or something else you can search for is redirect after HTML redirect 3 seconds. Okay, and here's the script. Okay, so this is the seconds and this is the destination page. Okay, let's change this. Let me open a script editor. So this is the part that you want to replace your affiliate link. Okay, so let's bring up the affiliate link. This is my affiliate link and I'm just replacing it. There you go, and that should be it. Okay, so you just copy the whole thing and go back to the lead pages and add the script here. Let's click save and you click on publish, and let's see how it looks. And there you go, you should redirect after 3 seconds. Perfect. So as you see, this page just goes to the landing page, to our sales page. Okay, so next thing you want to do is you want to go back to your lead pages account and you want to edit the actual funnel page, direct page. We want to edit this page and we want to change the thank you page from the link, from the affiliate link, to our new page that we just created. Okay, let's go back to the funnel, to the lead pages. Just waiting for it to load. Okay, so let's find the golf direct. There you go, that's the page. And let's click on the button. Should be able to edit the thank you page. So click on thank you page and replace the replace your affiliate link with this page that we just created. And you click on save. You click on OK, and that should be it. And after that, I just click on save, and this page should be ready. Now let's give it a try. Okay. Now let me just refresh it. This should send us to the direct page. There you go. So we go to this page and then we go to the offer page. Perfect. The next thing and last thing you want to do is you want to add the Facebook pixel script to your page, right? That's what we want to do, because we want to be able to track track our visitors on the Golf redirect redirect page, obviously. So we click on that. Let's edit it, and let's go to the Facebook, and on the Facebook you're going to click on pixels and grab your pixel. Okay, let's copy that and let's go back to this HTML thingy, click on edit, and let's paste our Facebook pixel. And you want to change this page view to lead. Alright, so that's something you want to change, and click on save and update, and this should be ready. So that's how you actually track people coming from Facebook to your direct landing page. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next update.